Yeah, everything is good, guys.
Yes,
Please
Ravi.
confirm.
Yes. Yes. Good.
Yeah. So for whom Angular, right? For whom Angular? Angular is what is that? Related to web and mobile and distributed and IoT or AI, artificial intelligence developer, right? For like if web developer is there, for them also Angular need. If you are the mobile developer, for them also need. If you are distributed technology developer, for them also. If you are in IoT developer, for them also. If you are AI developer, for them also, right? So now if just okay, so now if you are the learning if you learned, right? If you learned, what is that? If you learned, what is that? If you learn html and css and javascript, okay, those people also can learn Angular, and those people also can learn Angular, right? Now if you are, right, if you are UI developer, just simple UI developer, right? So now then if you want to become, what is that, full stack developer, right? Then you need to learn, what is that, Angular. If you are full stack developer, then if you are the mean stack developer, right? Mean stack developer, right? For them also Angular needed, friends, right? Now if you are the Java developer, if you are Java developer, right? For them also Angular need, right? If you are .NET developer, for them also needed. If you are Python developer, right? For them also Angular need. If you are PHP developer, for them .etc. Let's say it's. So now you guys can understand, right, the importance of Angular.
Yes, Ravi.
So now,
Yes,
now the question is, what is that? Now people is like confused. Shall we learn React JS or Angular? I will clarify. That is not my opinion. Our Google will tell. Okay, our Google will tell. Okay, so I'm opening the Chrome now. I'm opening the Chrome now, friends. Okay, I'm opening the Chrome now. So here, what you need to do? Just go to google.com slash just trends, right? Click on the trends now. Click on the trends. Okay, now my internet speed is little bit slow now, friends. Okay, so now here what you need to do, just search here, what is that? Angular, right? Angular. I searched the Angular. Okay, good. I search the Angular now. Here just React, search React JS, right? React JS. Okay, React JS. So this is the React JS and this is the Angular. Now see this, which one strength is more now? What is the, and where Angular framework now? This is, I'm not saying.
So much
See,
difference.
what is the average? What is the average of React and what is the average of Angular? 76% of
76.
in the industry
Angular.
Angular framework people is using. See, this is the Google is saying, and Google is like everyone is depending on the Google only, right? And Google average never be wrong, right? So this is the in Indian industry. This is the Indian industry usage, right? See, Angular framework usage, average is what is that? 76%. And what is that? React JS, just 6% people are 6% industry. 6% industry is using what? React JS. Now, this is the past 12-month roadmap is there, friends. Okay, this is the past 12 month. Now, in whole country, if you want, just change it now. Worldwide. Worldwide. Just change this one as a worldwide, right? So in the worldwide also 79%, right? Industry is using Angular, and just 6% industry is using what is that? React. Clear, friends? Now I'm able to convince you people which one
Yes, sir.
which one more needed to learn. What is that? In the front end area, which one React or Angular? I'm able to convince you.
Angular.
Yeah, Angular Ravi. Yeah,
So even people said that, right? Because on the YouTube channel also I created poll there, also I got more vote for the React, and in the Telegram group also I get more vote for the React only. But still, why am I starting the Angular? Because I know that. Right? Because I know that. Because see boss, I said that, right? If anybody is holding my hand, I will never like give wrong path the people. Because see, in
Yes, sir.
whatever situation I'm there, right? But I will never misguide anyone, right? I will never misguide anyone, guys. Okay, this is the belief you can build with me, right? So the things, guys, okay, because everyone needed marketing, friends. Everyone is doing the businesses. Just but the only one thing, in the first day onward, I'm saying that, right? With the education, I'm not doing the businesses, right? So,
Yes,
and
sir.
one more things, guys, in India culture, again I'm saying that, because today I started, again I'm saying that with the education in Indian culture, I don't know about other countries culture, but in Indian culture there is no business with the education in olden days also, right? So with, see, guru dakshina is there, but and the money, the taking the money and giving the education, this kind of culture is not at all there in our Indian culture. Even if you take our Bhagavad Gita as well as Ramayana, as well as every, like for the Rama also, what is that? One guru is there, right? To learning the Arjun, what is that? Dronacharya is there. All those peoples are there, right? Come on.
yeah, Ravi. Yeah, you
Yes,
know
sir.
everything.
So they are not taking single money also, just giving their they are making the like educated to Arjun, Ram, whoever peoples are there, right? But even Dronacharya, a student, what is that? Who's that?
Yeah.
Eklav is there, right? Eklav, who's the taking the finger?
Eklavya.
Eklavya, right? Who he becoming a good Dhanudhar, and he took the finger of what? Dronacharya, right?
Yes,
So the thing is,
Yes,
guys,
Ravi.
yeah, Eklavya. So now the thing is, guys, so just only one things, guys. Here we are learning the good subject, and even I'm a real time working employee. You guys already know that, right? You guys already know that. Even if if I'm not good, right? So see this, my colleague also joined our session today, right? So because from here to my working place also, right? I'm a good only. So you guys can believe and you can learn the subject. But if for the everything, if you guys are disturbing me, sometimes the people started to messaging me as a private also, even though I'm a busy. Even if I'm saying that the people, please don't send the message as a private, because I have other work also, right? I have other work also. I'm working somewhere also, right? But the people is continuously sending the messages. I don't know. So now leave it all those things, guys. Okay. So I opened that. What is that? Comparison with what is that? Angular and React.js, and this is the roadmap front of you people. You guys only decided first which technology we need to learn, right? Later, I'm not saying that we will not learn React.js. We will learn the React.js also, right? But more industry nowadays using what is that Angular framework only. Clear now, friends?
Yes, Ravi.
Perfectly clear, or just any doubt is there?
Yeah, no doubt, Ravi.
Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Perfectly.
Yeah.
Yes,
So,
got it.
okay. Okay, so the thing is, what are the basic requirement to build an end-to-end web application, guys? Okay, what is the basic requirement? Let's understand that one also. Let's understand that one also. So here, what I'm going to, I'm just copying and pasting this URL. Later, whenever I will share this document to you people, right? At least you guys can, if you try, in the future, if anybody is asking, Redmi Dual, please control your finger, right? Don't do anything on the screen, otherwise as well as someone is switched on their camera, please switch off your camera, right? Please switch off your camera. It's a disturbing. Even this is the recording session, right? This is the recording session. It's a disturbing for others also if I'm uploading on the YouTube channel, because initial 4 to 5 videos I will upload, friends, don't worry. Initial 4 to 5 videos I will upload on the YouTube, but not total videos. Now, because if we don't know today our Angular is the first session. If the people is joining later, then that videos will help them. So that's why initially 4 to 5 videos I will upload it. Later, I don't know. Right. So now just I'm stopping the screen sharing, because he's one line is there, that line will go. Okay. Now, yeah. Now, okay, friends. Now here, what is that? What is the basic? What are the basic? What are the basic? What is the basic requirement? Requirements, right? Requirements to build end-to-end web application. Right? Now, so first we need, what is that? First we need to know what is that? HTML. First we need to know HTML. For why we are using the HTML? For the presentation sake or not? Come on, friend. For the presenting our what is
Yes,
that
sir.
data on the screen, right? On the browser. Now,
Yes.
then we need what is that? CSS for the presentation, make what is that? Effective, right? Now, again, after then we need what is that? Client side script. Client side script means what is that? Why we are using? Means reducing the burden of what is the server side. Why we need what is that client side script? Means JavaScript or Angular framework by
Reducing
making,
the burden on the server
because
side.
see just what I'm saying, that here just assume that I given one browser to end user. I given what is that? Just name is there and just age is there. Just assume that submit button is there, right? And here our server is there. And here in the server our application is running, friends. Okay. So without validation, if we are giving this form, right? Without validation, we are putting the here we are putting here what is that? Just assume that a and age is now 1, right? Now here whenever we are clicking on the submit button, this request is going to our what? Server application, right? Server
Yes,
application. Without validation means here validation is there. So every time submitting this kind of application to server, and the server is validating, and the server only rejecting the things, right? Means what is that? How many networks? See here some validation, this form we are given to end user. End user is not following some rules, right? And they are any data, they are putting that and they are hitting, and whenever they are submitting that, it's making one network call, means request is happening, is nothing but network call is happening, right? And whenever network call is happening and a server application is validating and rejecting that request, then what is that? Our application performance will reduce or not?
Yes, Ravi.
So,
Yes, Ravi.
something we need, our data will validate here only. Before submitting our data, we can able to validate here only. So for that, we need, what is that? One client side script, nothing but what is that? JavaScript or our TypeScript. Clear, friends? Are our TypeScript clear now?
Yes, Ravi.
Now then we need, what is that? Server
Yes.
side. Then again, after then, what we need, we need, what is that? One server side script, right? Server side script, server side script. Server side script is nothing but what is that? JSP. If you are the the Java web developer, right? JSP
Servlet.
servlet, or if you are .NET developer, then ASP.NET.
Template.
ASP.NET. And if you are the PHP developer, then PHP, right?
.php.
Yeah, so these are the server side, what is scripting, right? So using these things, what we can do it now, we can proceed this request, right? We can proceed request and we can perform the validation also in the server also. Now clear, friends?
Yes, Ravi.
Now okay, so after submitting this data, if we want to store this data in the like in the database, right, permanently somewhere, then we need, what is that? One database also or not? Come on, we need, what is that?
Yes, Ravi.
One database, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, we need, what is that?
Yes.
Yes.
One database. Now for that purpose, we need, what is that? One database also. Database also, right? Database also. After then, what we need to develop, I'm talking about to develop one end web application, guys. Okay, we are understanding the things. What is the need to develop one web application? Now fine, now friends. Okay, so next, what is that? We need, what is that? We need, what is that?
Cloud deployment.
Now we need, what is that? Desktop publishing tool. We need, what is that? Desktop publishing tools, right? What is the publishing tools? What are the, like, we need, what is that? Some Photoshop plus etc, right? Plus this kind of, just I'm saying that let's open our Amazon or Flipkart application, friends. Okay, I'm just opening now. Select. Let's open Amazon. Okay. Okay, guys. So now just see this, guys. Okay, just see this one. See this. This is, what is that? These are the banners, na? Come on. Please respond.
Yes, Ravi.
These are
Yes.
the banners. These are the banners. Now banners. These are the images with the good pixels. With the good pixels. So someone is designed or not these images and the pixel. This is your
Yes, Ravi.
responsibility.
Yes, Ravi.
This is the developer
Yes.
responsibility. This is the developer responsibility. Whoever, like designer, for those people,
Designers.
designers,
Designer.
right? Who knows that? Who knows that Photoshop, Corel Draw,
Graphic design.
Photoshop, Corel Draw, Flash Player, etc. These things, if the person know that, they only write, they only like design this kind of things, as well as with the good pixels, right? Whoever good in the designing, right? Whoever good in the designing. So those people only can, just with the coding only we are presenting here. We are the developer, friends. We are not a designer, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, Ravi.
Right? So
Yes.
yeah, so who knows that? So to design this kind of things, we need some tools or not? Come on, we need some tools, right? Like
Yes,
what?
Ravi.
Like what kind of tools we need? Like Photoshop and Flash Player plus or Corel Draw, right? By using this kind of tools only we can design. So for then if the person know that, right? If the person know that, what is that? Like this publishing tool, then the person can work on this area, na? Come on. So
Yes, Ravi.
so in the project, it's not meaning that in the web project just we need, what is that, coding only. We need so many things, friends. Okay, we need so many things, means we need to know some publishing tool also, or if you don't know, you need to hire some who can design and all those things, and who knows that is this publishing tool to work on that, right? So if based on your requirement, if you are giving that like design this kind of like images, design this kind of, what is that, frame, so they can able to design it. If the person know that those publishing tool, then the person can work on that area, na?
Yes, Ravi.
Now okay, so after then what we need, after what we need to know what is that, IDs, some ID, right? Some IDs to develop our application. Like which kind of ID we need to know now, guys. Like visual, or let's take VS Code, right? VS Code, or if you are the Java developer, then Eclipse, right? Eclipse ID, like that. So many tools we need, right? So many IDs we need. After completing these things now, friends, okay, after completing these things, what we need, what we need, one testing framework we need to know that, right? Testing frameworks, right? Frameworks are tools we know, and we need, right? We need to test our API. This API is working perfectly or not, right? Perfectly or not. Like which kind of, like if you are the performing the unit testing, then X unit is there. X unit is there, or J unit or Jasmine for the front end, for the front end page, like front end HTML testing. Jasmine testing tool is there, right? Jasmine etc. You should know these things, friends. Okay, you should know these things. Initially in year about 63 members was joined, right? Means 10 member is reduced because they don't know HTML, right? I think initially I said that if know these things, or in the future also, if you are planning to learn JavaScript, then only it will work, friends. Okay, then it will work. Now so 10 member reduce, don't worry. I said that na, I don't want counting number. If one person is there and that person is showing their dedication as well as seriousness, friends, okay, I will take session for them only. I said that na, I don't need what is that counting number. Now okay, friends, so now based on these things, what you guys come to know that, what you guys know come to know that now, friends, whatever explanation till now I given, everything is clear now.
Yeah, Ravi. So good.
Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
so now
Yes.
okay, now so now let's do one thing, friends. Okay, now today first days is there, right? Today first days is there. Let's stop our session today itself, here itself only, right? Today let's stop our session here itself only. Slowly we will start the things. Now once 1 or 2 days will complete, right? Then we will take a long session and we will try to complete our like Angular as soon as possible, right? So, but don't worry, it will take time, because only weekend only we are going to learn the Angular. And the thing is, I'm challenging you people, anyone friends, okay, whoever really good experienced person, right? Like whoever giving the training, after finishing our Angular, guys, okay, I will make the Angular too much easy, right? Anyone can understand our Angular development things. And the thing is, guys, just if you guys are showing the seriousness, that at the time only I can inject the session. And the second things, guys, if you really serious about that, continuously join the session. It's not meaning that one day I joined that and another days I bunked that and again next weekend I will join. Between what will happen, you guys don't capture those things. So continuation is needed, guys. Okay, if you are continuing the things, then the things will work. Now
Yes, sir.
let's stop today. Stop our session here itself only. We will continue next things tomorrow onward, guys. Okay, tomorrow onward, guys. So now yeah.
Yesterday class note you are not uploaded.
Okay,
Yesterday
okay, I'll upload it on. And one more things, guys. Okay, I'll create hey, just I'm asking, everyone is there in our like group, somewhere joined from the other, please unmute yourself, tell me friends. Okay, then we can give our group link to you people.
Yeah, we are all in we
I
WhatsApp.
am in
Yeah,
group, but
I'm in a group.
If anybody is
put the
not,
Bluetooth link I put in
if anybody is not in our group, guys, just tell me, because you guys don't like get our link and all those things. That's why I'm asking, right? So
Yeah,
feel
we are in
free.
WhatsApp, Ravi.
Yeah. So okay, now guys, so let's stop our session. Don't worry, I will upload it, and even I will again create the classroom drive for our Angular also, guys. Okay, and I will share that link in the group itself only. Join that also. There only I will upload our day-to-day sessions notes, which is helping to you people,
Yeah.
right, in the future. Now, okay, guys. So let's stop our session. We will meet tomorrow. Bye. See you guys.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
bye. Thank you. Bye.